So as you can see, liquidity is lesser than yesterday, but orders are getting placed. So I'll just have a look on the chart how it looks today, and based on that I'll tell you what can be done. So these are the levels where I usually like to trade whenever there is liquidity. So I keep my levels marked always. So that's why you see this green and blue lines. So you see this is called demand zone. Demand zone matlab where most of the people buy and pull the market up. So this is a demand zone which has been created. Now this is an important level. I'll just mark. So this important level we will mark as purple. Yeah, so it stands out. So this is an important level where the market has been taking support line. So 9 EMA is blue and 15 EMA is yellow. So if there is a EMA crossover, we notice we will place our trade. I don't think today will be as fast as yesterday. So this stream might be a bit longer than expected. So we'll see. As you can see, like I said, EMA crossovers are the best zone to buy or sell. Here is a nice EMA crossover of 9 and 15, and the market went in selling. Okay, we're in. Stop loss is $24.91, and our profit target is a bit high. So we'll see what happens. The action has begun, guys. Let's see. Open PNL is around $7.46. We took the entry exactly at the break of this green candle, like I said, and we're waiting for this yellow level to break so that, okay, open PNL $13.67. From $7 we jumped to $13.67. The market is in our direction. It's in our zone. $18. We have done $18. Come on. $21. Back to 17. We just seen $23, but it has broken the EMA line, so it's a good sign. 22, 23. It's a good 24. $27. $32. You see how it jumps. $39 profit. 41. Come on. 46. We have done 46. We are at 46. Break off. Okay, so we're taking a resistance from that this candle. This candle is giving us a resistance, so our new target is this point. So we are back to 29, 20, 17. You see, from 43 back to 14. We still not have exited the trade. $11. What do you think? Back to 12. Okay. So the market is fighting back today. It's not giving us the profit at once. $9. We're down to $9. From 43 to 9. We're still in the trade. We'll see where it goes. So yeah, basically what happens is most of the days you get the profit at once and you just exit the market. So those are your best trades. Sometimes the market will not react as per your analysis. So that time you just have to be patient and need not to fight with the market. The more you'll fight with the market, the more you'll understand that you're going against it. If you're going against the market, it will be very difficult for you to manage your money, manage your psychology, and get the profit out of it. So you have to stick in the trade until and unless you take your profit, your desired profit, or you get your stop loss hit. $4. We're back to $4. We're down to $3. $2. -2. Ouch. Basically, people do not maintain the risk to reward ratio. They are taking risks of 3,000 rupees, but profit only 500. That's not correct. To always maintain a healthy risk to reward ratio. If the market goes down, if the market goes against me, I will not wait for the trade to wash off all my money, right? I will only give that much amount of money to the market as much as I desire. So profit is also in your desire, loss should be also in your desire. As much as you want to give, do not give more than that. So we are at minus 5. Okay, -7. Damn, that escalated real quick. We're at -7 and our stop loss is at $24. We'll wait. We have made good profit day before yesterday. We have made good profit yesterday. So a small bit of those profits we can give to our SL. It will not hurt much. $11, -$11. We're in negative. Positive 43 to -1921, and our stop loss is about to get hit. And -24.7. Few points more, and our trade will be over. Done. $1. Our trade is over, guys, and it's falling. It's a free fall from here. So we just lost $24.91 live in this trade. Our conviction did not work. So when we saw we have a loss, we booked the loss. We did not hesitate. There should not be any emotions involved in the market. So you should be okay with it. You should be okay with giving some money to the market. There was a small phase of happiness during the whole trade session, but it was not up to our target mark. It was not up to our target mark, so it just did not run. We booked a loss, and that's it for today. Good night, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see what happens in the market tomorrow.